The shop! Up there, dudes. That's not the shop. Oh. That's not the shop. Where's the shop? The shop's there, guys. Can you see the shop? Did I miss it? Damn it. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. We're filming a weekly vlog, which I haven't filmed in like ages. So we are going to London today, it's Monday, and we're going to see yet another West End show. If you've been following me on like social media, shut up train, that we have been going to see lots of different West End shows, and today we're going to see School of Rock. We're going to see the School of Rock. So
the next station is London Charing Cross.
Yeah, so we're going to Charing Cross and we're just gonna explore London a little bit and then we'll go see the show. This is our 4th West End show in a matter of like 2 weeks? 2 weeks. Yeah. So we're just like eating a bit of food now. Holly's got this. It's innocent greens, gorgeous greens, including spirulina and baobab. Baobab. That's so good. Oh, delicious. I recommend. Are you excited? School of Rock. I'm excited to see this show. Yeah. It better be good. And I'm sure it's gonna be good. I've got high expectations. We need to find our seats.
We need to pick up our tickets from the box office.
Yeah, let's go. Right. Go. Just hold on to Emily while you cross the road, then you'll be safe. These seats are so good.
Epic, yeah. Come see School of Rock, in row N.
We were in N. Ich bin Nummer 56. That was actually good.
57.
Oh yeah, sorry. You were 6?
Yeah.
57.
Are you excited? Yes.
Morning, guys. Oh wait, no. What time is it?
12:30.
It's currently 12:30. We got up quite late this morning. We got up at like 10 because we went to bed at like midnight. So
we needed 10 hours.
Yeah, we needed 10 hours. It's justifiable. Anyway, so we just come on a dog walk midday. The weather is appalling.
Yeah, it's just been drizzling.
I know. We go from one day that's quite hot in the UK in the summer to this all year round, 364 days a year.
No, it gets worse.
It gets worse. Where is our dog that we are walking? Hi, say hello. If you didn't know, this is Star, our Labrador. How old do you think she is? How old are you? See if anyone gets it right. Yeah. I don't think they will. School of Rock the musical was yeah, it was really good. The children were pretty insane.
They play the guitar.
Hi, Scruff. Come on. Look, she knows. I'm a horse whisperer. Scruffy-doo. Here we go. Also, these are our friends. There goes everybody. Hi, guys. Do you like the cows?
I love the cows.
Yes, very well said. Hi! They love me. Is your name Holly? Oh, look at those crushed little paws, you little pampered little pussy. I'm the real Holly. Today hasn't been very exciting, to be honest. It's been a day of what I call emails and replying to messages and comments and sorting stuff out practically the whole day. I mean, we didn't get up too early, so it hasn't been super productive, but it's been productive in sorting out my inbox. My little pampered puss. That's an angry pepper. Come on, Minnie. Come on, baby. Oh. Oh, Milka. I cannot sleep with you in my room. Stop it. Right. The hard way. Why am I scared of a cat? Come on. I don't like doing this. We're still friends, aren't we? Where are we going, Star? And Burley's coming too. The dogs with car sickness.
There you go. In, up. Good girl.
Aww. It's alright. Don't dribble. Passenger. Just strap him in. Strapped in. Good morning, guys. So today it's Wednesday today, and Mum and I are taking Star and Berlioz to the vets because yesterday I noticed this lump on Star's leg. It looks really red and sore, so we're taking her to the vets, and we're taking Berlioz with us as well because he needs injections. Right, Mum?
Vaccination.
He needs his vaccinations. So you can hear him crying in the back. I think he's just stopped. How are you doing there, Birdie? He's fine. So he'll just be singing the whole journey, and Star is she gets a bit car sick. So she's panting right now, and we open the windows to get like air flowing, but she doesn't really like the car. Ever since we got her, she doesn't like the car. She doesn't throw up anymore, but she just doesn't like it. Meow! Meow! I'm talking to you, Burley. Meow! Meow! Birdie, what you talking about? I don't know. We don't have Milka with us. Milka's at home still. She doesn't need vaccinations today, and it would be like quite a nightmare with 3 of them between 2. I think 2's enough. 1 kitty and 1 doggy. Come on, let's go in the puppies. So come here. Oh, hello. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Come on.
Oh. Who's that to that? Who's in there? Hello. Sarah. Give me a baby. You're right. Are you happy? Happy? You like that? How are you feeling, Star? You having your checkup? She looks a bit stressed. It's pretty. Bye. Yeah.
Belly. Right. Don't jump off. We can do that.
In a week time or in 5 days, first a warming tablet and then the flea treatment.
Back home now, Bertie. You want to come out? Ready? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Wait, Bertie. Patience. Oh. So we just got back from the vets, and Bertie's really happy to be home. Star's happy to be home now. Her tail was like tucked under her bum. So she was a bit stressed. But she's been given a dose of antibiotics to take just to prevent infection on her leg, and we need to give her half a tablet now. So I think we're gonna stuff it in some banana because she loves bananas just like me. Mmm. Here we go. Oh, that's it, good girl. It's a bit of a hard bit in the banana.
Good girl.
So we're back in the car, but we're in a different car, and I'm the driver! Yes, look at this. Holly is the driver. Are you happy about that, Mum?
Not really, no.
No. I actually have passed my driving test, and I've only actually been out once with Mum. I haven't been out on my own yet. We might venture out at some point. Maybe to get some bananas from Asda.
Well, not we, it would be you.
Me, to get some bananas from Asda, I don't know. We've come to pick up Matthew from school today, and it's fine. I drove here pretty well, that's fine. I parked in the space where we wait, and then we just wait. Is he coming? Mm-hmm. The boy himself, who made his debut on my YouTube channel last week. Hello! Your chauffeur today is Holly.
I'm being recorded.
Yeah, you are. Say hello.
I literally just came from school.
How was
Funny.
school?
It was fine.
Nope. Your ride. Why are you looking like that? So I literally just finished reading The China Study. There are so many references in this. So for those of you who are skeptical about veganism and the links between diet and disease, please read The China Study, and it's amazing. Please read it. If you're looking for wider reading for a science-based subject, please read The China Study. I was actually supposed to be going to make banana bread today because the bananas are so ripe, and Mum's like, they're black and they're manky. Which they're not. They're just incredibly ripe, which is perfect for banana bread. So I don't know if I'm gonna make it now or not. I'll see. Program or something. See, this morning I got a bit upset. That's why my face is a bit blotchy, because I went on a walk with Star, and firstly, let me say apologies for the banging upstairs. My dad is doing flooring. This is gonna be so annoying. And it's right above me, like why? So anyways, yeah, I got a bit upset this morning because I walked past the field with the cows in, like I showed you the other day on the walk, and one of them had really sadly died. It's literally made me so upset. I was in so much shock. I just stood there and I just cried so much. So yeah, it just makes me so upset. And I actually went and found the owner of the farm and told her, and she did know the vet had just arrived. Apparently the cow had just died of natural causes, but I just can't help but get upset when I see an animal that's been killed. But I didn't name that one, but I knew it was the fluffy one. So anyways, on a more positive note, I love banana bread. It's so good. I'm in the mood for baking food. Oh, why am I so weird? Whoa, flour. Microphone needs to be moved. What? This is supposed to be British wheat. Self-raising flour? I'm using self-raising flour, which is not right. Whoopsies. Do we not have any wholemeal flour, dude? Like, seriously, I don't need the wholemeal flour. Plain old British wheat. Just white. It might have to be white flour, but I do not want white flour. Please don't tell me we don't have whole wheat flour. We can use this as flour. I'm not impressed. Where's the whole wheat flour? I swear we used to own so many flours. Hi guys, I'm on Holly's camera. There she is. It's come out. So Holly's been baking banana bread and I'm in here like, oh my god, it smells so good. Like, I wish you guys could smell this. Smell-o-vision needs to be a thing. Whoa, oh my god. Yes. Do you think that's done? Oh damn, I said to swap it halfway through. Maybe we'll just leave it for like 5 more minutes. It looks really good. This is what it basically looks like. Smells so good. Anyways. So nice. Right, I'm off to work now. Bye everyone. So today's been like animal rescue day for me, because not only did I unfortunately witness a poor cow on its side passed away, I also saw this pigeon. I was almost about to finish my run and there was this pigeon that had obviously hurt its wing and it couldn't fly anymore. I felt so helpless. I couldn't do anything to help that pigeon and it really made me sad. The hardest thing was to walk away, and I just had to say to myself that that is nature and I couldn't have really done anything to stop that from happening. So, but I made my family dinner this evening. I really like making them dinner and cooking for everyone at home. Yeah, when I do things in the kitchen, I love doing it, and I love making really healthy and whole food, plant-based meals for my family. Just the show, it's so amazing. I just had a freezing cold shower. This is not okay. It's so cold. This morning I'm just doing some organization-y things, and I need to actually clean my room. That is what I had planned to do at some point this week, and it's Friday, so I need to do it because my room is like so messy. I just need to fill some things in my new diary, so open it. I've trained her to be able to open the door. Don't look at me like you don't know how to do it. Oh, here we go. Come on. And she's like, open it for me, you stupid human. At least I thought I had trained her to open the door. It's time to do some cleaning. I'm gonna do a little taste test with the banana bread. It's really good. It would have been better with like the proper flour, I think. And then the texture is still a bit like, it still hasn't risen as much at the bottom as I would have liked, but the taste is so good. Okay, so we are full on cleaning here. The bed is out. Everything's everywhere because I was like, you know what, there's no point doing it half-heartedly if we're gonna clean. So I went to the shops with mum after lunch, and then now I'm back at cleaning. Today we are going to an animal rescue day at a place called Friend in the UK. They have farm animals that have been rescued from like slaughterhouses and stuff. So they've got like cows and pigs and chickens and geese and goats. Sheep, everything. And that's why I'm wearing my vegan tee, because it's the only vegan tee I have. And yeah, I'm so excited. It's like a school trip. And there's like vegan food, everything is vegan. So many people made like vegan cakes. And yeah, so it's me, Emily and Mum are going to Friend rescue today. And I'm super excited. Come along.
Do your little thing when you get annoyed.
How do you feel about this, Mum?
Oh, no, get out the bird area.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Hello! Hello! Look how cute they are. So we're at Friends, and all the animals are free roaming, and Mum's a little bit scared of the birds. As they're all rescue animals from the like slaughterhouses and stuff, so some of them don't have beaks and stuff, and they've got injuries, but they all look happy. They look happy here. Hello! Hi! Oh! He's so cute! Hi! Oh, look! Don't wake the baby. We just did our, you know what, toilet business in a compostable toilet. First experience in a compostable toilet. It was what I call different experience with a few flies here and there, but we managed. Can I see your pretty face? Oh, you're pretty. Hi. You know you're pretty, don't you? Poop goes. I get so happy when I see cows.
Oh, that's really soft.
Really good.
Oh.
It's really soft, isn't it?
How do we get the male behind?
It's so big.
I never touched a cow in my life.
Oh, so beautiful. These ones are that. It's like bigger than you.
Right. That's a really good weight.
I'm sorry,
so soft, like you can't even tell what this fur is so soft.
Oh, I'm not going to come and say hi. Oh.
Banana loaf, carrot cake, strawberry cake, fruit loaf, Oreo chocolate, strawberry cupcake, more carrot cake, white chocolate, cookies, more cookies.
This is a chickpea salad thing. It's got sultanas in it. That's so good. And some bread. And I also got a vegan cookie. So we're gonna go feed some animals. Are you ready to feed some animals, Em?
Yeah.
Hi!
Cute cat.
Look at all of its friends. Here they are. Hi!
You eat carrot?
Yeah, you do eat carrot. Look at that one over there.
Having a good dream.
Oh yeah. I think you should wake him up.
He's having a nightmare. It's not fine. Go back to bed.
I don't want to wake him up from his sleep.
He's trying to...
There, you got it. It's yours. Oh yes. There we go. People, this is a micro clip that gets this side. It's so adorable.
He's got quite a big mouth. Hey, you're so soft.
Yeah. Is that the floor? I feel like that's okay, okay. Calm down. Wait. I have literally been smiling this whole day. My cheeks honestly hurt. I loved being able to just roam free with the animals because that is exactly what happened, and yeah, it was just so amazing. I mean, I have always been someone who loves animals if you haven't guessed from this video, and the fact that I can now live so guilt-free and so freely, live a cruelty-free lifestyle with not contributing to any unnecessary suffering, just makes me feel so content and happy. There is nothing more liberating than being able to say that you don't contribute to any suffering and you don't cause any harm. So I hope you've enjoyed following me through my whole week, and just seeing what I get up to and sharing my big heart for all the animals out there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up if you would like to see more weekly vlogs and vlog style videos, and if you're new around here, of course, please subscribe and comment down below, and I will speak to you in my next video.